Hi kids, it's me, Mr. Frost.
And I'm Penelope.
Do you know what season it is outside right now?
Spring?
It is springtime. And the springtime, the weather starts getting warmer, and sometimes there's a lot of rain, but that rain brings a lot of...
Flowers.
It sure does bring a lot of flowers. There's an old saying that April showers bring May flowers. And that's what we're gonna make a picture of today. A picture that changes from the April rain showers, and when you open it up, some May flowers will grow. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
This is what we're gonna work on today. All you need is...
A paper and some crayons.
That's it, paper and crayons. All right, let's get started and you can follow along with us. We're gonna take our paper, tall ways, and we're gonna take the top of the paper and we're gonna fold it down almost to the bottom. Don't go all the way to the bottom, make sure you're leaving some space here. Fold it and then crease it down like that. Get a good crease. Need some help? There we go, perfect. Now we're gonna take our green crayon and we're gonna color the bottom part of our paper down here. And this is gonna be our grass. It's gonna be the grass for the rainy April scene and also the grass for the flowers in May. Great, now let's write at the top of our paper, April showers. You can pick any color you want. I'm gonna choose purple this time. I'll spell it for you. A P R I L. That's April, and now showers. S H O W E R S. April showers. Now, where are all those April showers going to come from?
The clouds.
From the clouds, that's right. So let's draw some stormy clouds. You could draw your clouds with a gray crayon, or if you don't have one, you could use a black crayon. Bump, 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 all around to make a cloud. And I'm going to make a bunch of stormy clouds. When you're done with your clouds, you can add some raindrops. Let's use a blue crayon and draw our rain coming down. I like to make a little line with a little loop at the end, almost looks like a 6. To be my raindrops falling down from the clouds. And I'll make lots of them. I want lots of rain to water my flowers. Now we've finished our April showers on the outside and we're ready to make our May flowers on the inside. So let's open up our paper and let's do the words on the inside. Pick a crayon, whichever color you'd like. I'm gonna do blue this time. And at the top of our paper, let's write bring May flowers. I'll spell it for you. B R I N G. Bring. Now May. M A Y. And then flowers. F L O W E R S. And I even put an exclamation point at the end. Now that we're done with that writing, we're gonna draw 3 flowers. I'm going to show you how to draw 3 different kinds of flowers. In the middle, we're going to make a rose. So pick a color that you'd like to make your rose. I'm going to make this rose kind of a pinkish purple color. First, I'm going to draw a U shape like this. Then, at the top of my U shape, I'm going to make a cinnamon roll.
I want some more.
Do you? Me too. I'm going to go around And then I'm going to go around and around, smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, like that inside. And then I can shade in my rose. I'm going to shade it in lightly so you can still see my cinnamon roll. Now we'll take our green crayon and draw the stem of our flower. We're going to draw 2 lines coming down like this. 1, 2 to be our stem. And now we can add some leaves on the side of our stem like this. Kind of like a football shape. And with the rose, I like to put some small leaves right at the bottom of the flower like that. And we'll shade those in too. That looks really pretty.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Now we're going to draw another flower. This one's going to be like a daisy. And you need 2 colors. One for the middle and one for the petals. I'm going to make the middle of my flower orange, and I'm going to make the petals purple. So we'll start with the middle of our flower. I'm going to draw a circle for the middle, and then I'll shade that in. Just like that. And then the petals, I'm going to make little circle petals all around like this. And I like to add a little line in the middle of my petals like that. And then I'm going to shade those in lightly too. When you're finished with the flower, let's add a stem and leaves on that one too. And now we're going to draw one more flower. This one's going to be a tulip. Pick a color for your tulip. I'm going to make mine red. And we're going to draw a U shape, like we did with the rose, but this time instead of making the cinnamon roll, we're going to draw a zigzag across the top of our U shape, like this. Down, up, down, up, down, up. And we can shade that one in. We'll draw 2 green lines for a stem again, but our leaves are going to be a little different this time. Our leaves are going to start down here at the bottom by the ground and come up tall like this. A tall, skinny football shape, all the way from the bottom. And then we can shade those in. And there you have it. There's our April showers bringing May flowers. The rain on the outside and the beautiful flowers on the inside. So next time you're looking outside on a dreary, rainy day, just know that those beautiful May flowers are on their way soon. I hope you had fun doing this lesson with us. Remember, if you take a picture of your artwork and you send it to my email, I'll add it to the YouTube video of all the student artwork for next week. All right, kids. See you later. Bye.